Welcome back to today's report on Tuesday the 19th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets, looking at Eurodollar now. We've still got this sort of consolidation really on Eurodollar, no real direction. I mean, yesterday we saw another bounce. It seemed as though we were starting to get a bit of direction on Friday with that close below 110.50. With that close below 110.50 bearish candle. But yesterday's move slightly sort of neutral-ish, isn't it? I mean, it's sort of unwound back into the pivot band between 110.50 111 figure. You'd sort of look at the momentum indicators really and say we're still bearishly configured on the medium-term basis with the sort of lower highs and sort of move into negative configuration on the RSI below 50. MACD lines similar downtrend, but you've sort of slightly turned higher on the MACD lines, but then the stochastics have just turned lower. So you're sort of mixed near term, but I think medium term you're still negatively configured. Also deal suggests for me selling into strength, and this sort of minor recovery we've got on Eurodollar. This is the hourly chart. I still think that you've got this sort of pressure that we're seeing on 1020 area that we've seen in the last few days. Again, we had a rally off 1020 on Friday that's held, but again it's sort of coming up into a minor band of resistance between 1070, which is an old pivot, not a great one, but it is a pivot, and 1070 and 11 figure being the top of the long-term band and also a pivot as well. So 1070 to 11 figure would be sort of ideal near-term selling area. I think if you're going to continue to play the sort of the selling into strength game, which I think it is the best way to play it. Looking at the momentum indicators as well, the hourly MACD lines just unwound to neutral, turned over, stochastics falling, RSI falling. So it's all and also the RSI failing underneath 60, having gone to 30. So it all sort of hints towards bearish configuration generally, and selling into strength. But again, it's not really getting the traction to the downside, and you're not really seeing the pressure sort of telling yet. But it's still likely to be seen, but it's just still holding on for now. But I'm still expecting a retest of 10 figure, and ultimately probably a retest of 909 as well. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.